Hey guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix Discord update failed error. It's so easy and fast. So let's start how to do it. First close this Discord window. For that go to taskbar on Discord, and right-click on your mouse, and then close this window. Now go to Discord icon, and right-click on your mouse. And then select Properties. Click on Open File Location button. In this folder click on the update file, and rename it. You can add whatever numbers or letters you want. This will cause this code to re-download the specific file. Next click on the app data on your folder bar. Then go to Roaming, and then Discord. And finally open Cache file. Now simply select all of the files inside, and delete them. This is a temporary data stored on your system, that will be re-downloaded by this Discord upon launching it again. After following the step, you can open your Discord application, and it should download the update without any issues. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.